Hey everybody, it's Jay here with Rogers Motor Cars. Today we are highlighting this 2022 Ram TRX. Beautiful truck in Daytona Blue Pearl. Love this color on this truck, especially with the black accents. This one's got 35,300 miles. All the tires are in light new condition. No dents, no scratches. Got one key fob. You do have all the books. Very cool truck, a lot of fun to drive. 702 horsepower. It's got a tonneau cover. It's got a chase rack on it with 5 big bright LED lights. And this does swivel. The lights do swivel. There's a switch inside that you can point them straight up in the sky. If you're at the ranch, you want to look up at the trees and stuff, and you make all those adjustments from inside. It's pretty cool. Very nice and clean Carfax, locally owned truck. We got this on trade-in. It's got the leather seats, it's got the big navigation screen, heated seats, heated steering wheel. It's got the bright pedals. Here's your switch for the actuator on the lights. This one turns them on and off. No damage inside anywhere. You can see all the touch points and the bolsters all look really good. Not worn out or anything. Quick look at the back. Very clean back here. Nice door panels. Nice truck. Runs great. Low mileage for a 2022, doesn't need anything. Just had an oil change. These are a lot of fun to drive. Give us a call, text, email. We will respond to all inquiries very quickly. We can help with shipping. Of course, this would have to go on an open trailer, but we can certainly provide you shipping quotes anywhere in the country. Very nice and clean. If you're financing, we can work with your bank, no problem. If you need financing, we have some options for you. Cash deals are easy. Long distance deals are very easy. All done over email, text message. So I hope to hear from you soon on this. Give me a call. Like the video if you can. Subscribe to the channel. That always helps the algorithms. You can follow us on Instagram also, Rogers_Motorcars. Thanks for watching.